So now we will discuss the MCQs of your chapter. पहला MCQ है which of the following is not true of the guard cells? Option A, they are present in the epidermis of the leaf. Option B, they are connected with the plasmodesmata with other epidermal cells. C, they contain the chloroplast. D, they are kidney shaped. The right option है option B, they are connected with the plasmodesmata with other epidermal cells. Question 2 है the Casparian strips are present in option A, cortex cell of the roots. Option B, epidermis cells of the roots. Option C, the cells of the pericycle. Option D, the cell of the phloem. The right option है option B, endodermis cell of the roots. Question 3 है lymph most closely resemble with option A, blood. Option B, plasma. Option C, interstitial fluid. Option D, urine. The right option है option C, interstitial fluid. Question 4 है hydatotodes are associated with transpiration, guttation, conduction, none of the above. The right option है option B, guttation. Question 5 है according to the pressure flow theory, which of the following serve as sink? Option A, leaves. Option B, stem. Option C, roots. Option D, none of the above. The right option है option C, roots. Question 6 है which of the following is true about the mammals? Option A, they have the right aortic arch only. Option B, they have the left aortic arch only. Option C, they have the left and right aortic arches. Option D, they do not have aortic arches. The right option है option B, they have left aortic arch only. Question 7 है the process that mostly like and directly enable a root hair to absorb the minerals by active transport and enable a muscle cell to contact is option A, circulation. Option B, excretion. Option C, respiration. Option D, assimilation. The right option है option C, respiration. Question 8 है which of the following processes cause the substance to move across a membrane without the expenditure of the cellular energy? Option A, endocytosis. Option B, active transport. Option C, diffusion. Option D, none of the above. The right option है option C, diffusion. Question 9 है the cardiac muscles can be distinguished from the other muscle fiber because the cardiac muscles have option A, contain one actin. Option B, voluntary in action. Option C, lacks the regular arrangement of the sarcomere. Option D, has the intercalated disc. The right option है option D, intercalated disc. तो इसके साथ ही हमारे MCQs कंप्लीट हो गए. इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो हम लोग इसके ट्रू फॉल्स को स्टडी करेंगे.